is Henry the horse. Say hello to Henry the horse. He also wants, he told me, he just pleaded to me, Mummy, 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 please. He calls me Mummy, actually. So, Mummy, 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 please, can I just be with you? I would like to see all the students, all the IK grade 1 and grade 2 students. uh, waiting. I want to see them. I want to make friendship with them. I want to say them hello to everyone. So this is Henry the horse, my little baby horse. Okay, so he also wants to listen to the story, and he is feeling a little bit sad today. So let us make him also happy, and let us make you also happy with a happy story. So shall we start? Okay, so let us start. So Henry will be listening quietly now when I will be telling the story, and I hope everyone will listen very nicely, because some questions will also come up after telling you the story. So here we go. As Sonali ma'am told about, due to the COVID, we are facing little bit, we are sad, we are not able to come to school, we are not able to meet our friends, our teachers, our dear best friends. We are not able to meet them. We cannot see our classroom, a new classroom, because you have all promoted to new standard, new class. So therefore, in order to cheer you up, I will start with my welcome to my storytelling session. And I will start with a quote. Storytelling is the most powerful way to put ideas into the world. So if you listen to a story and you find something very nice and exciting, then that idea you can keep in your mind, and then you can share with your parents, with your friends, with your grandparents, etc., with your teachers also. So let us start. Okay. The name of my story is Taking a Bath with the Dog. Oh my God, I want to take a bath with my dog and other things that make me happy. So let us see what the story is about. Okay. So let us give the name of this little girl as Amy. So Amy's mother is asking Amy, I miss your smile today, sweet pea. What would make you happy? I don't know. With a sad face, Amy is saying, I don't know. See her sad face. She's so sad. But I wonder why she's sad. Henry, why she's sad? You also don't know. Okay, let us see. What makes you happy? Now, Amy will ask everyone why that particular person is happy. So she first goes to the puppy, to her dog, and she ask him, what makes you happy? The puppy dog says, taking a bath. After that, she goes running to her grandpa. What makes you happy? Counting. So you can see grandpa is counting what? This is a wood, a branch of a tree, and it is cut into pieces, and he is counting the rings inside the wood. So that makes him happy. Isn't it nice that something special makes you happy? Then Amy goes running and she sees a rabbit. He's running around this ring. So she asks, what makes you happy, rabbit? The rabbit says, while running around. Okay. So let us then scroll down again little bit, and okay. Then she goes and asks the slithering snake, what makes you happy? The slithering smiles and little bit he says, shoes. See, so many shoes, different shapes and size he is wearing. So he is happy with that. Next, she goes to an auntie of hers and she asks, what makes you happy? She says, playing with my hair. Can you see her hair? Nice and fluffy and curly. and lots of pins and bows she's putting, and that makes her happy. Okay. Next, she goes, maybe she's wandering outside her garden, and she's asking to a mole, what makes you happy? Digging. Digging makes the mole happy. Next one, she goes to an uncle who is sitting on a bench in a park. What makes you happy? Excitedly she asks. Stripes, the uncle says, the answers. And along with the uncle, one small little cat is sitting beside him, and he is also having stripes. So I think stripes also makes the cat happy. Next, she sees a bat. What makes you happy? The bat says, sniggers, and he says, sleeping upside down, because bats always sleep upside down. So a little bit he's naughty, and see, he is saying, sleeping upside down. Okay. Then she goes to, what makes you happy? Is this a moon? Is this a moon or a sun? What is this?
Sun.
It's a sun? Okay. I think it's a moon. Or a sun. We don't know because it is not mentioned here. So let us imagine whatever you have to imagine. What makes you happy? The sun or the moon, it says, smile. See, such a wide smile. Then Amy suddenly have an idea. But what is that idea? She's saying. So let us see the next slide. She goes running to her mom. And she says, her mom asks, Sweet pea, you're smiling. Did you find out what makes you happy? Yes, I'm happy when I tickle my baby brother, jump rope, bake cookies with faces, ride my bike, chew peas one at a time, make a wish, stay up late, paint on eggs, slurp spaghetti, look at my reflection, dance with my shadow, play dress up, sit in my dad's chair, blow bubbles, drink tea with grandma, play drums, make faces, hold my breath underwater, pretend I'm a monster, swim at night. All these things make Amy very, very happy. I think some things are common with you as well. I'm happy when I'm taking a bath with my dog, the last and the most interesting thing that she wants to do. And Mom, you're smiling. You must be happy too when she hugs her mommy. She feels very, very, very happy. The end. Thank you. Did you like the story, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have one more surprise for you. That is a very nice song, and if you would like to tap or clap, you can do that while watching the video. So just give me a few minutes. I'll just come up with that video. Okay? Thank you.
Let's do emotions. Pokey, pokey. You put your happy face in, you take your happy face out. You put your happy face in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey, and you turn yourself around. Everybody turn around. You put your sad face in, you take your sad face out. You put your sad face in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. Everybody turn around. You put your angry face in. You take your angry face out. You put your angry face in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. Everybody turn around. Put your scared face in. You take your scared face out. You put your scared face in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. Everybody turn around. You put your surprised face in. You take your surprised face out. You put your surprised face in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. Everybody turn around. You put your silly face in. You take your silly face out. You put your silly face in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. Everybody turn around. Everybody turn around.